Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a voiceover because I am going to share with you how to create your own coffee station. So my name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I love sharing my life as an entrepreneur along with sharing my tips and tricks for business. I'll be doing more lifestyle videos in the upcoming months so that I can show you how to create a beautiful space and environment for your business so that you can stay productive and love every single moment. So my first tip in finding a space for your coffee station is to find a space that you love and has easy access. So I chose this drawer top that I used to have my printer there. I chose this area because I have a bar cart in the side and it has some of my favorite drink items there, so that's why I decided to pick this spot. So the first two things I have are these boards that I'm going to use to hold some of my items, such as my coffee machine and my pour over. So as you see, I am placing them in different sides of the table. I have my Nespresso, which I will try to link most of these products down below that I can. Then the next thing I have is this little storage for my Nespresso pods or capsules. I obviously need some sugar and some spoons. You can also add your own little cups there. I don't have room for cups and they can get dusty, so I don't have that there. So basically you just make this your kind of own thing. I have some random decor pieces that I can add. And these are just for photos, obviously. And I have some of these coasters that I found in Indigo and they're super duper cute. Basically, just play around with how you want to put things. I also added some dried flowers to give it a nice touch. And that's pretty much it. Just figure out what you like, and that's how you create your own little coffee station. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.